Don't download Revolut Stocks app before watching this. If you're thinking about using the Revolut Stocks app, pause for a second. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a simple way to buy and sell stocks with low fees, but the surprising truth is that Revolut is more limited than it first appears. Revolut allows you to trade US and some international stocks, but you don't actually own the underlying shares in every case. Some trades are fractional, meaning you own only a portion of a share, and certain markets aren't accessible. This can be confusing if you're used to traditional brokers, where full ownership and voting rights are standard. The fee structure is also important. While Revolut advertises commission-free trades, there are limits on the number of free trades per month. Exceed these, and you're hit with fees that can add up. Additionally, account tiers matter. Premium users get more trades and benefits, while free users may feel constrained. Another key point is research and analysis. Revolut provides basic stock charts and news, but it doesn't offer the deep analytical tools or reporting that serious investors rely on. If you're a beginner, this may be fine, but advanced users may find it insufficient for long-term investment decisions. Liquidity is good. You can sell your shares and get access to funds quickly, and market volatility still applies. Many users underestimate how sudden price swings can affect fractional shares or their overall portfolio. In conclusion, don't download Revolut Stocks app if you expect it to replace a full-service broker. It's convenient for casual trading or beginners wanting to experiment with small amounts, but it comes with limitations, hidden fees, and less control over investments than traditional platforms. Know what you're getting into, understand the trade-offs, and only use Revolut Stocks for what it's best at: simple, low-cost, entry-level investing.